Welcome to our comprehensive tutorial on safeguarding your privacy on Android devices. In this step-by-step guide, we'll walk you through the art of hiding apps effectively, ensuring your information remains secure and private. Go to Setting and search About Privacy. Then click on Hide Apps. Add password privacy for Hide app, then you can choose App and enable Hide. For open this app you should add access code. From 0 to 16. If you want on Hide app you add access code. If you want to disable Hide apps, just go back to Settings and uncheck App.